Hello, and I'm back again. I apologise I've been away for a while, but I had a couple of huge orders that I was busy making, and so yeah, I didn't have any time for anything else really. So yeah, I'm here today to make some new style items. But before I start, I'm inserting a picture now because this month is my website and my small business first birthday. So every day this month there will be an item that is reduced by 50%, and then on the 21st of April I will have a complete site-wide 50% sale on every item, and I'll put all the details in the description box below so you can save the date and the discount code that you need to enter. But anyway, back to today's video. So I've just filled these coasters with some clear resin, gone round, popped the bubbles with my clicky lighter, and sprayed with some isopropyl alcohol. Because they are going to remain clear, I want to pop as many of those micro bubbles as possible. And now all I'm adding in is these 3D charms. We have different ones in each one. So we've got like a little slice of pizza, a bar of chocolate, a football, a snowflake, an apple, a flower, a pumpkin, a snowman, a donut. So I'm just adding these in randomly in different places, and then I will leave this part to dry. And what I'm actually making is some sensory discs, but these are I Spy game sensory discs. So it's some fun that you can have as a learning aid or in the car on a long journey. So now that's dry, I'm just going to add some stickers. Now I've sped this bit up for the simple fact this took me quite a while to choose what stickers of the right size to fit in between the gaps of all of the 3D shapes, because obviously I only put a small amount of resin in so I could put them in place and they wouldn't all float to the middle of the piece. So because I've got certain gaps that I need to fill, I've got loads of different stickers here. I got these from my local pound shop. I do believe Poundland also sell them. They're 2 sheets for £1, and they come in a whole multitude of different styles and designs, and they're just fabulous and they work well with resin. And so yeah, so I'm just going on and adding sort of like some, look, you can see there, a little duck, a butterfly, I've added a frog, a triangle, an aeroplane, a car, a flower, an ambulance, some two-tone colour traffic lights, just all different things to add to this so you can create a fun game of I Spy, or like I said, a fun learning aid. So I'll just carry on adding the stickers. I've added a couple of letters from, I've added a couple of numbers, and I'm also adding some colourful letters, both lowercase and capital, to each one, and just go round and fill up all the spaces without overlapping. As I said, this took quite a while to finish. So we'll just carry on doing that. As I say, I had so many stickers to choose from, it was trying to decide what ones to put where. But I'm happy with how that looks now. So the next thing to do is just cover this with some clear resin. Now I have other sensory discs on my website that are available now, and they are like, I can't think of the word, but basically I've used 3D charms, but I haven't completely immersed them in resin, so when you touch them you can feel the shape. This, on the other hand, I want these 3D shapes completely covered, and so it's completely flat. And then finally, I mean, this was a couple of days for me, but it's been instantaneous for you, as all of my resin videos are. It's time to unmold them. They are so fun. I'm so happy with how they've come out. I mean, if you wanted to try and create more fun for an older child, you could turn it over and use the white sides, but obviously the letters are back to front. So, but anyway, yeah, so thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.